just in case you've forgotten how to use Google Maps, I just wanted to give you a quick tour. First, click the link that's on your page. It will open up Google Maps already set to Yellowstone National Park, and you're actually already on satellite view. If you're not, then this would say satellite and you could switch back. Map, satellite. Next, I need my little yellow guy, and I'm going to drop him somewhere in the park so that I can actually walk around and explore a bit. Okay, so right now I'm actually in the park, and you can see there's a lot of trees. There's a trail, just looking all the way around. Okay, so I can go backwards on the trail or forward. So I'm just going to go this way and follow my arrow. See where this trail will take me. You can see some water over here. Okay, the more I click, that's just bringing me a little closer. So again, I'm just going to keep following the trail. See if I can get closer to that water. Wow, that's pretty. Okay. So that is one way that you can use this. If I go back, I just hit the escape button on my keyboard, ESC, it's in the top left corner. And now I can kind of decide if I want to drop my person somewhere else. So, drop him right here. Oh, that's really pretty. I wonder if that's why I got the name Yellowstone, because it looks so yellow at the top of this little mountain here. This must be a popular lookout spot. There's a lot of cars and things. Okay, again, I'm just kind of turning my screen, clicking and turning. You can click and move a little further. Ooh. Now we're like on a bridge looking down at the water. Okay, so again, you use anytime you see an arrow like this, you click it and it'll move you forward. Okay, you can click and drag, hold your screen and move it with your mouse. You can see the yellow clay again. If you see the little hand, I like to call it the Mickey Mouse glove, you can click and it will also move you to a different location. Oh, here's some animals. Okay, and if you're tired of where you're at in the view, you're going to hit the escape button on your keyboard, and that'll bring you back to the start where you can drop your yellow guy somewhere else. Anytime you see these little blue circles, that's probably a better spot for you to go look at. But of course, anywhere on the blue trail, you can drop your guy as well. Hope that helps you to navigate Google Maps so that you can have fun exploring.